our beloved principal ma'am and honorable dignitary Dr. Sabra Banu ma'am to give an technical talk on build your business model entrepreneurship journey from student. Now I welcome Dr. Principal ma'am to speak few words about the honorable and dignitary guest ma'am.
Good morning to all. I have immense pleasure in welcoming our today's guest, Dr. U. Sabra Banu, Director, AICTE Textile Private Limited, and Mr. Mohammed Sheikh Moti, Director, AICTE Textile Private Limited, for being here in spite of their very busy schedule. I invite specially both of them. Next, I welcome the coordinator, IAC program, Mr. Ashok Kumar, HOD, Civil Engineering, faculty members, and my dear young friends, student friends. I welcome all of you for this program, very important program. Nowadays, our Prime Minister Modi ji is giving importance to entrepreneurs. He is asking us to start many startup companies. So in this line, we have arranged today lecture for the benefit of students. To introduce our guest, here Dr. U. Sabra Banu is basically an academician and a researcher and entrepreneur. So it is a rare combination of all these things. Being academician, she did many, she handled advanced theory papers, she set up many laboratories, and she developed many prototypes, working models through students' projects, and through research. As a researcher, she has done publications above 100, in hundreds she has publications. She has published many patents, and she has delivered so many lectures, guest lectures, etc. We can go on tell. And being an entrepreneur, for the past 5 years, she is an entrepreneur, developed many projects based on IoT, robotics, image processing. She is very much thorough in MATLAB and LabVIEW. With the image processing, she has done so many projects, and she is very much interested in doing projects, doing research work, and she has given guidance to many students, BE students, MTech students, and PhD students. With these types of all these immense, so I have immense pleasure and very proud of our chief guest for today's function, having different performance as an academician, researcher, and entrepreneur. She has done wonders in all the fields. So I am very proud of having her here as a chief guest for our talk, building a business model. This is very important to you nowadays. As I told you, our Prime Minister is encouraging in this direction, and Prime Minister is supporting by giving fund for starting startup industries. So in this time, this talk will be very much useful to you. So please listen, and if you have any questions to put up in after the session, and even surely I am sure few of you have the entrepreneurship future. So please use this session and put up any questions at the end of the session. So with this brief note, I welcome Dr. U. Sabra Banu for this session, and also I want to introduce briefly about the afternoon session speaker, Mohammed Sheikh Moti. You can see him. He is doing now MTech in VLSI course. So you can see how young he is, and he has travelled in the entrepreneurship performance from his second year BE onwards. So we have to appreciate how he is started his career in the entrepreneurship, how he has interest in developing entrepreneurship performance, and so we need his experience. We need his experience in this situation. So he has a concept of developing projects, and I am proud to say he has received Texas Instruments hardware. That is usually every year the Texas Instruments hardware contest will be held. So nationally held all over India, this contest will be called. So in this, in lakhs participants in lakhs will participate, and finally 18 only selected. So among 18, Moti is one among 18. So we are very proud to say this. He has received 20 lakhs amount for doing his project. So I request Moti to share this experience also, how he started his entrepreneurship career and how he is traveling in this route, so that it will be useful to the students community. So with this brief note, once again I welcome our two chief guest directors of AICTE Textile Private Limited for being here in spite of their busy schedule. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind words and for your elaborative words regarding us. Thank you very much, ma'am. I would like to thank the management, Principal Bhunesh ma'am, for giving me and Moti this opportunity to share our experience, the entrepreneurship skills. So, morning session we will be discussing about how to build a business model, and again what are the different type of models available, and how to carry on from conceptualizing an idea and converting that into a product. And in the afternoon, Moti will be sharing the experience as how he traveled from a student to an entrepreneur. So what are the various tractions he underwent? So all those things will be discussed in the afternoon. So shall we start the session, ma'am?
Yes. It's a pleasure.
Okay, is the screen visible?
Yes, visible.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start the session. So in the morning session, we are going to see how to build a business model. So I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Sabura. I am one of the directors of